The Shark UZ365H Anti-Allergen PET plus cordless stick vacuum redefines cleaning convenience with its powerful suction, innovative features, and user-friendly design. Engineered to tackle carpets and hard floors alike, this vacuum boasts an XL capacity for extended cleaning sessions without interruption. With a removable battery providing up to 40 minutes of runtime, hair wrap prevention technology, and Anti-Allergen Complete Seal, it ensures thorough cleaning while maintaining air quality. Accessories like the duster crevice tool and upholstery tool enhance versatility, while its sleek, ergonomic design and low noise level make it a standout choice for those seeking a hassle-free cleaning solution. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance. This cordless stick vacuum is a powerhouse when it comes to suction power. Whether you're dealing with carpets or hard floors, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance, effortlessly picking up dirt, debris, and pet hair. Its PowerFins nozzle technology ensures a thorough and continuous clean, reaching deep into carpets for a pristine finish. With its XL capacity, you can tackle extended cleaning tasks without the need for frequent emptying, saving you time and effort. Number 2. Battery life. Equipped with a removable battery, this cordless stick vacuum provides up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, giving you ample time to clean your entire home without interruption. The cordless design offers the flexibility to move around freely without being tethered to a power outlet, making it convenient for quick cleanups or reaching tight spaces. Number 3. Hair wrap prevention. One of the standout features of this cordless stick vacuum is its self-cleaning brush roll, which effectively eliminates hair wrap, saving you from the tedious task of manually removing tangled hair from the brush. This not only ensures consistent performance, but also prolongs the lifespan of the vacuum, maintaining optimal functionality over time. Number 4. Allergen Control. Designed with Anti-Allergen Complete Seal technology, this vacuum is a boon for allergy sufferers. It effectively traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, preventing them from being released back into the air during vacuuming. This feature ensures cleaner air quality, providing relief to those with sensitivities to airborne particles. Number 5. Accessories. Included with this cordless stick vacuum are useful accessories such as the duster crevice tool and upholstery tool, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience to suit various surfaces and hard-to-reach areas. These attachments enhance the versatility of the vacuum, ensuring thorough cleaning throughout your home. Number 6. Design and build. With its sleek silver and blue color scheme and ergonomic stick design, this cordless stick vacuum is both stylish and practical. Its compact form factor and lightweight construction make it easy to maneuver around furniture and navigate tight spaces with ease. The push-button controller and touch control method further enhance user convenience, simplifying operation for a hassle-free cleaning experience. Number 7. Noise level. While this cordless stick vacuum delivers powerful performance, it does so without generating excessive noise. With a noise level of 80 decibels, it operates relatively quietly compared to other vacuum cleaners, allowing you to clean without disturbing household members or pets. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 11.25 inches length by 9.5 inches width by 27.38 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Shark UZ365H Anti-Allergen PET plus cordless stick vacuum excels in performance, convenience, and user satisfaction. Its powerful suction, extended battery life, and hair wrap prevention technology make cleaning effortless and efficient. With a focus on allergen control and versatile accessories, it caters to the needs of allergy sufferers and homeowners alike. The vacuum's sleek design, lightweight construction, and low noise level further enhance its appeal, ensuring a pleasant cleaning experience. Overall, this cordless stick vacuum stands as a top choice for those seeking a high-quality, reliable solution to their cleaning needs, delivering exceptional results with every use. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.